How do you instill in yourself the type of belief system that is going to be able to carry you to the next stage? Are you doing the best job that you can do right now from the standpoint of fulfilling the legacy that you have in your organization and in your company? And if you are doing the best, are you questioning yourself to say that your best right now is not enough?
Philip Berry is president of Philip Berry Associates, a global management consulting, executive coaching, and training practice. Philip, the keynote speaker at the New York and New Jersey Minority Supplier Development Council's 15th Annual Expo, presented his book, Being Better Than You Believe, 8 Steps to Ultimate Success, and conducts a workshop to implement its message.
The basic tenet of the book is to enable individuals, groups, and organizations to move from their present levels of performance to higher levels of capability.
I have been talking to individuals in organizations over the last 2 years. One of the things that I find is that they are feeling that maybe they're giving all that they can, but they don't know exactly what direction they want to go in order for them to improve their business.
This is information that people really need to sit down and think about, especially with the changes in our own marketplace today. We really need to rethink about how we look, what we're doing, how do we achieve our goals.
What needs to happen in order to get the trajectory moving in a different direction is that something has to change. So the past will get you to where you are, but it doesn't preordain what your future is going to be.
I do have a global experience, and I've worked in over 60 countries around the world, and the important thing to me is to modify the concepts based upon individuals' lifestyle, based upon their cultural framework, to try to find the cross-cultural dimension that might make some sense to them.
How do you see yourself, and how do you think other people see you? If you happen to be an entity, if you're a small business, how do you see yourself, and how do you think the people that you're going to be trying to get business with, how do you think they see you?
It made me think what I am now, my brand, that word that defines me, and what I'd like to be, or what I'd like to be known as.
Everybody's talking about branding. Branding is good, and we're not talking about just coming up with slick advertising. There's a role that slick advertising plays. But what we're talking about is the essence of the strategy that decides what your DNA is as an organization, and how your DNA can metamorphose into something that is going to be better than you believe.
That's what organizations want. They want people to come to those organizations that have the competencies, the skills, and the knowledge to contribute in different ways.
I know that you as a group are going to make things happen. Thank you very much for this time.